mai makaranta ne? Kuma wani su dukkan girmi mu.
Da shi karatu ba yaro ba.
Haka ne, yanzu ya za a kenan.
The drama, the theater, the dramatic, and the scene, and emotional heartbreaking in the film of Makauniyar Soyayya. The manners has become mannerism. The new director with the new scene, the new actors with the new characters, the latest film with the latest money and figures. All behind the challenge and impact of the gigantic dramatic drama, Makauniyar Soyayya. The record and the impact behind this theater is simple and intuitive and short with high amount of amateur passion. The students are the color century before reaching the state of success. Education is the key of blindness and darkness. Education is the titanic pedagogy of guided direction. All the highest of Makauniyar Soyayya. There is marketing, both male and female students, and all they are hygienic and professional. But few of them like Abdallah, Fahad, Farista, and Chief, and all members of the club I mentioned. Abdallah have changed in terms of creativity, understanding, courage, and he is so celebrated. And he put the right thing in the right place at the right time, while Farista is always right in terms of an understanding, while Fahad climb with cheese, she's gorgeously and she's still a man, all behind the same film of